In today's media landscape, narratives don't just report, they shape perception and power. This is evident in Israeli and Western pro-Israel coverage of the Israel-Hamas war. Homes, schools, hospitals, mosques were all destroyed, and journalists and their families were targeted, making the deadliest period for media workers. A South African lawyer described Gaza as the world's first live stream genocide, witnessed in real time, yet met with a global inaction. And this exposes a deep ethical crisis in Western media. Many legacy outlets failed to hold power accountable, instead repeating state narratives that frame Israel as the victim and Palestinians as aggressors. For example, CNN framed reports presenting Palestinians' casualties as collateral damage, while repeatedly airing Israeli spokespeople and marginalizing Palestinian voices. BBC often used passive constructions like people killed in Gaza strike, instead of Israeli strikes killed Palestinians, people in Gaza. Photos reinforced asymmetry, showing Israeli grieving personally, while Palestinians appeared among rubble. Research consistently shows bias, disproportionate coverage of Israeli losses, underrepresentation of Palestinians' perspective, and repetition of Israeli military claims. Terms like self-defense dominate headlines, while Palestinian deaths are reduced to numbers devoid of context. Networks such as CNN, MSNBC, and Fox News have repeatedly given Israeli spokespeople unchallenged platforms, reinforcing a one-sided narrative. When media institutions once trusted to tell uncomfortable truth, frame oppression as abuse, journalism loses its moral compass. Every headline, photo, and quote carries an input frame. Understanding these frames is essential for exposing manufactured silence and reclaiming journalism's role as a voice for accountability, truth, and human dignity. The responsibility extends also to the audience to question and examine and refuse complicity in silence designed by narrative control.